For critical infrastructure, adherence to industry standards like a PI 598 is mandatory. Our pressure testing protocol for your rubber-lined valve meets these rigorous requirements, confirming its pressure retaining capability and ensuring zero internal leakage across the disc. The successful test validates the entire assembly, from the torque bolts to the integrity of the corrosion-resistant liner. Ensure peak operational safety and regulatory compliance.
Qingdao iFlow was established in 2010. We are a manufacturer and seller focusing on providing customers with high-quality, fully equipped valves, including accessories. We are a caring family. Ever since we started up, we have been delivering thoughtful care to customers to every detail as we could, address value customer needs, comply with regulations, respond quickly, quote competitively while strictly control quality and lead time. If you are looking for a reliable partner, look no further. We treasure the partnership with every customer, as we deeply understand that only by supporting you to achieve your success can we have our own healthy development.
If you are interested in our valves, please visit our website for more details and glad to receive your inquiries.